Welcome back, DIY enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of innovation and efficiency with the 12 coolest tools you need to take your projects to the next level. Let's kick things off with our first must-have tool. Number 1. The Voron 8-inch cable cutter high leverage tool is a durable and efficient solution for cutting tough cables and wires. Made of high-quality No. 55 steel with integral heat treatment, it offers exceptional hardness and toughness for long-lasting use. Its sheer jaws and precision ground blades ensure sharp and accurate cuts, leaving cable ends smooth and burr-free. The handle is covered with frosted, non-slip rubber, providing a comfortable and secure grip, reducing hand and wrist fatigue during extended use. This cable cutter is versatile, capable of cutting various materials including aluminum, copper, and communication cables. It can handle wire sizes ranging from 0 to 70 square millimeters, making it suitable for a wide range of professional and home applications. With its durable construction, precise cutting capabilities, comfortable handling, and versatility, the Voron cable cutter is a valuable tool for any toolbox. Price: $11.99. Number 2. The FireCore 6-inch thin-set removal bits scaling chisel tool for SDS Max rotary hammer drill is a premium tool designed for efficient removal of tough materials such as tile, mortar, hardwood floor, linoleum floor, laminate floor, and adhesive material. Priced at $99.99, it offers exceptional value for its performance and durability. Featuring an upgraded sharp edge, the tool's sharpened, flexible blade cuts through material quickly, while the beveled plate edge prevents material from binding up, improving user ergonomics. Comes with 4 spare alloy steel bolts and lock nuts, ensuring prolonged usage. The thin-set removal bit blade is replaceable with FireCore SDS Max floor scraper 6-inch replacement blades. Its stable blade attachment, with locking bolt and nut fasteners, provides secure blade attachment, resisting vibrating loose. The innovative tapered head design prevents shearing off of the bolt heads, while bushings help isolate vibration to reduce bolt loosening. The 6-inch wide blade delivers up to 2 times faster material removal, making it ideal for a variety of applications. Constructed with grade 12.9 high-strength bolts and high-grade forged steel with a unique heat treatment process, ensuring maximum durability. Countersunk bolts reduce loosening, enhancing the tool's longevity. Number 3. The 18-piece 3/8-inch drive extra long Allen Hex Bit Socket Set offers a wide selection of sizes, catering to various needs. Priced at $29.99, this set includes both SAE and metric sizes, ensuring compatibility with a range of fasteners. Constructed with chrome vanadium steel, the socket base undergoes heat treatment for enhanced hardness, providing higher torque and durability. Featuring a special chamfering design on each bit head, insertion into fasteners is made easier while increasing the contact area and reducing wear on the fastener. With an extra long design, these bit sockets can reach deep into narrow and recessed areas, providing versatility in various applications. The precision chamfered bit ends ensure smooth insertion. All Allen Hex bit sockets are neatly stored in a storage box for easy access at any time, promoting organization and convenience. Number 4. The Hart 20-volt cordless impact driver kit is a powerful and reliable tool designed to handle any project with ease. Priced at $63.33, this kit includes a 1/4-inch hex collet, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. With up to 1,800 pound of torque, the impact driver can tackle even the most challenging projects effortlessly. The high-speed fastening and variable speed trigger provide precise power and control, ensuring efficient and accurate results every time. Equipped with an LED work light, the impact driver offers clear visibility in any work area, even in low light conditions. The onboard bit storage feature allows for convenient access to extra bits or accessories, keeping them within reach whenever needed. Compatible with all Hart 20-volt lithium-ion batteries, you can always have a charged battery on hand for uninterrupted work sessions. Whether you're a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast, the Hart 20-volt cordless impact driver kit is an essential addition to your toolkit.
Number 5. The Makita PDC1 200A01 Connect X 1200 Wh portable backpack power supply is a high-capacity power solution designed for professionals who require extended runtimes. Priced at $1,379, this power supply delivers an impressive 1200 Wh of output, ensuring longer run times for all-day work. Ideal for various applications, the expected run times with the PDC1 200A01 may vary depending on the product, application, and amount of work performed. Constructed with durability in mind, the Makita PDC1 200A01 features IPX4 rated weather-resistant construction, providing protection against water splashes and ensuring reliable performance in various conditions. Additionally, the integrated LED battery charge level indicator allows users to monitor the battery charge status, providing added convenience and ensuring uninterrupted workflow.
Number 6. The Klein Tools 93PLL Self-Leveling Laser Level is a versatile and reliable tool designed for precise leveling tasks. Priced at $299, this laser level features self-leveling 3-plane lasers that project X, Y, and Z-plane lasers independently or together with an accuracy of 1/8 inch at 33 feet. With its 360-degree bright green laser, the lines are easily visible on construction sites, outdoor locations, and in home settings. Plumb up and down marks are conveniently located at the intersection of the Y-plane and Z-plane, ensuring accurate alignment. The laser level is powered by a removable and rechargeable battery, providing more than 9 hours of runtime for extended use. Integrated high-strength magnets and a magnetic mounting bracket with 1/4 to 20 tripod mounting threads offer flexible mounting options. With an IP54 rating, this laser level is water and dust resistant, ensuring durability and reliable performance in various working conditions. Additionally, it comes with a hard plastic carrying case for easy transportation and storage of the rechargeable laser level. Number 7. The Skil Twist 2.0 rechargeable 4-volt screwdriver with pivoting head is a versatile and convenient tool designed to handle various tasks. Priced at $37.99, this screwdriver features a pivoting head with a lock-off mechanism, allowing it to pivot and lock between 3 positions, 0, 22.5, and 45 degrees, for improved ergonomics in tight spaces. Equipped with torque setting control, users can adapt to the application at hand with 3 torque settings, ensuring precise and efficient operation. The forward and reverse trigger button is conveniently located for easy one-finger use, enhancing user convenience and control. Featuring an LED light, this screwdriver provides added visibility in low-light conditions, ensuring accuracy and efficiency even in dimly lit areas. The integrated battery with a USB-C charging port offers convenience and ease of use, allowing users to recharge the screwdriver quickly and efficiently, ensuring uninterrupted workflow. Number 8. The Husqvarna 225i 40-volt 14-inch cordless electric chainsaw is a powerful and convenient tool designed for efficient cutting tasks. Priced at $379.99, this chainsaw comes equipped with a battery and charger for added convenience. Weighing 15% lighter than previous models, the 225i chainsaw offers easier handling and reduced fatigue during operation. Its active cooling system ensures consistent power output and longer battery life, enhancing overall performance and efficiency. Equipped with boost mode, this chainsaw delivers 25% more power when needed, allowing users to tackle tougher cutting jobs with ease. The ergonomic and balanced design, along with the pass-through battery, ensures comfortable and controlled use. The interchangeable battery system allows the 225i chainsaw to be used with all Husqvarna battery tools, offering versatility and convenience. The lithium-ion batteries are durable, easy to swap, and recharge quickly, ensuring minimal downtime. Featuring tool-less chain tensioning, users can quickly and easily adjust the chain without the need for additional tools, further enhancing convenience and efficiency during operation.
Number 9. The Stihl Brushless 20-volt 18 brad nailer kit is a versatile and powerful tool designed for efficient nailing tasks. Priced at $199, this kit includes everything you need for your nailing projects, including a 2.0Ah lithium USB-C battery, a 45-watt USB circa PD charger, 118-gauge 2-inch nails, and 2 no-mar tips. With best-in-class runtime, the Brad nailer can drive up to 1,000 nails on a single charge with the included 2.0Ah battery, ensuring uninterrupted workflow. Featuring exceptional performance, this Brad nailer delivers high power and can drive up to 2 nails per second with minimal ramp-up time, ensuring efficient and precise nailing. Equipped with dual LED lights, the Brad nailer increases visibility in dimly lit work areas, ensuring accurate nailing even in low-light conditions. The quick depth adjustment wheel allows for easy setting of the ideal nailing depth, ensuring consistent and professional results with every use. Compact and lightweight, this Brad nailer is designed for working in tight spaces with minimal fatigue, providing added convenience and comfort during extended use. The dry fire lockout feature eliminates blank firing and prevents damage to work surfaces, ensuring smooth and precise nailing every time. Number 10. The Milwaukee SDS Plus Dust Trap Drilling Accessory is an essential tool for achieving OSHA compliance without the need for a vacuum. Priced at $28.57, this accessory offers a universal fit for SDS Plus rotary hammers, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of tools. Featuring a clear sleeve, the dust trap drilling accessory provides maximum visibility and accuracy during drilling tasks, allowing users to maintain precision and control. With OSHA objective data compliance achieved without a dust extractor, this accessory ensures safe and compliant drilling practices, even in environments where a vacuum is not available. For added compliance and efficiency, the dust trap drilling accessory is also OSHA Table 1 compliant when used with a dust extractor, providing a versatile solution for various drilling applications while maintaining safety standards.
Number 11. The Hilti DX2 0.27 caliber semi-automatic powder-actuated fastening tool, priced at $309.99, is a versatile kit designed for efficient fastening tasks. It includes the DX2 powder-actuated tool, along with various brushes and a spares pack for maintenance and repairs. The tool features semi-automatic operation for quick and easy use, delivering powerful and precise fastening results with its 0.27 caliber design. The included round brushes aid in cleaning and maintaining the tool for optimal performance. All components are neatly stored in the provided case, ensuring easy transport and organization between jobs. Number 12. The IIC Crimp ICP 240 cable stripper, priced at $9.46, is specifically designed for removing wire insulation from 12 Aruban florins to 4/0 round cables, including battery cables, welding cables, stranded cables, or solid cables. Featuring practical functions, the ICP 240 radial cable stripping tool performs both circular and longitudinal cuts with ease. Its rotating body allows for longitudinal cuts for end stripping and circular cuts for jacket removal. With durable and replaceable blades, this tool comes with 2 extra blades included, increasing its lifespan. The tempered steel ground blades stay sharp even with extensive use, providing smooth rotation during operation. Ergonomically designed, the cutter automatically adjusts to the cable size and locks in place for radial cuts. The blades are housed in a reinforced polyimide casing contoured to fit comfortably into the hand, making it ideal for extended use in electrical assembly industries. Suitable for cutting through various jacket materials such as PVC, rubber, and PE, this cable stripper is perfect for electrical, automotive, and DIY applications, making it the preferred choice of electricians.